watching our videos on our Pro XP4 Ultimate. We got this side-by-side four-seater not too long ago. It was stuck in the shop for about 4 months, and guess what? We got it back. Woohoo! And we're doing some altercations, so stay tuned, like, and subscribe. What are we doing, babe?
FYI, my wife is annoying.
What are we doing, babe?
FYI, my wife is annoying.
Cut. What are we doing, babe?
No, seriously, my wife is annoying sometimes.
Double the cut. Okay, so this is what we're doing.
Do it.
No, I don't know.
All right, what we're doing, I got some trail armor gear. We got forward A-arm protectors. So we have the full kit here, all the nuts and bolts and stuff like that. Actually, this is for
I thought that was for something else.
Nope, that's for the rear. So we have basically a bracket, and then you use this guy with this guy to bolt into the front.
This guy with this guy?
Yeah, that guy with that guy.
Don't forget to put this guy with this guy. I don't know what guy he was pointing to.
Over here. All right, so there's already a bracket in here, and when you put this guy in, it'll secure to that bracket, and then there's a bolt hole back here.
Show the bracket again.
So the first one we got to do is this guy.
Am I coming in there? What am I doing? Hey.
Huh?
Am I coming in there, or what am I doing?
Yeah, you will. All I did was put the nut in place in this little hole right here. So what I'm gonna have you do is hold this up on this end, and then I'm gonna screw this piece in, and then we'll work together to screw the next two in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna go.
It's in.
We're gonna have to use a tool to
I
get
know.
it tight.
But it's.
Okay, you can let it go. Let it go. Okay. All right, now see up here on this bracket. There's a bracket up here. We got to grab a nut, put the nut on the very top, and then we got to squeeze this guy through here, through the bracket.
What part are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do my side. You're gonna do that side.
Okay. I like going around this rolly thingy. I've never. Because it's just on. Oh yeah, I'm so far, babe. I'm so far this way. I'm on this side of this thing.
Okay, so move the bracket.
Oh, the bracket moves.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, it's too far. I can feel it.
Can you hold this light for me? I'm holding the thing. Hold this light up for me.
I can feel it. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. There we go.
Here it is.
Ow!
Oops, sorry.
My finger.
Okay, which one?
Right,
Just one
somehow
of them?
we gotta get, I gotta get one of these nuts on it, but it's really, I mean, there's barely enough room.
Is it nutty? Yeah, there's not. There's only like 2 screws left. We need a long, are you sure we have the long ones? Are you sure you're not using the long ones?
These are the long ones. These are the long ones.
Mom, hand me one of those long guys right there.
Those are the long,
The long one. Yeah. This is the long one, babe.
I know, babe. It's the same one.
No way.
It's the same exact one. Everybody left me. Okay. So what am I trying to do? I'm literally just trying to get these screws in. And from the top, there's only like 2 threads to make this work. And they just make these screws literally like a 1/4 of an inch longer, not even 1/4 of an inch. I mean, this is ridiculous. There we go. Oh my goodness. It's barely gonna be enough threads. Just barely enough threads. It's probably hard to see here, but you can kind of tell that this the top of the screw. Oh, the light. The light doesn't tell you, but just barely enough threads.
Where?
Right there, the wrench. See it on top? Yep.
Just hold it.
No, I want you to turn it.
This way or this other way?
You'll feel it.
Towards you or towards me?
Towards me. Oh.
Yeah. Another tallywagger. Dang it, you and these things.
That's good. It's plenty. Okay. Oh, there we go. They recessed. That's why. It recessed into the plastic over here. That's nice. This one hasn't recessed yet. Okay. I think that's about as far as it's gonna go. All right. Looks good. All right, let's do the other one. There we go. Final result. Looks pretty good. Fits nice. All right, next we're gonna install rear trail arm guards. So same as the front, we got some trail armor equipment. It's gonna protect the underside of the metal here so it doesn't get all bent up. It'll slide better on the rocks and not make a huge clinking sound when I hit rocks. But all right, so you can tell I've already got this tire off. This is really just here for safety for now. I gotta remove this scraper. So this goes inside the wheel well and removes any mud and crap that gets underneath the tire when you're driving. And then the new guard will go all the way down to here and protect it. So we'll get cracking on it. All right, looks like you gotta take the scraper off first. Scraper's out. All right, so next we gotta take the scraper and these new bolts they gave us, put them through, and then after you put them through, you put the scraper back together. Once you put the scraper on, you can't get the bolt in. Okay, now I'm just gonna tighten it back on with the OEM stuff. For now, so I know what I'm gonna do here. Pretty sure we're gonna put the scraper back on, but I'm gonna put the protector in first. Got my holes pretty lined up. Now the only thing I'm worried about is this scraper. Is it going to touch the wheel? I mean, I've added a 1/2 inch to it. It sits a 1/2 inch lower than normal. I'm a little worried about that. So we'll see what happens when I put the tire on. Now I got to drill these guys in to the bottom. running pretty good. Now, if I were you, I'd probably wear something to protect your eyes. And some shards just flying all over the place. All right, one more. Then we'll tighten this sucker up and hope that the wheel still fits. Okay. All right, nice and tight. All right, moment of truth. See if the tire fits back on here. Whew. I think it fits. Yep, it's not even touching the scraper. Interesting. I just finger tightened the nuts and it looks like you still got at least 1/4 of an inch clearance there. It actually might scrape better than before. And that might be because I went to 15-inch wheels. I think the stock wheels are only 14-inch. So if you had 15-inch wheels, you're good to go. Oh wow, looks like my scraper broke on this side. Dang, look at that. I must have caught a rock. Looks like it'll still do its job, but I can go ahead and buy another one. Dang. Really gonna get some push. Come on. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? I'll find a weld. Jeez. This thing went deep, man. Cool. It doesn't stay that high. Whew. All right, now I get to clean up my workstation.